We're continuing our series on the millionaire Moses. And as we said, a millionaire is someone not only has the outer things they need, they have inner peace and happiness. That's what we're talking about. And Moses, in leading the Hebrew people through the wilderness, they were given manna every day. And it was providing them with the food. They gathered this manna, which miraculously appeared for every day for 6 days. They would gather that manna and it fed them. And you and I can gather our manna, which is symbolic for whatever we need in our life, whatever is appropriate that we need to manifest in our life. So we're going to talk about how do you gather your prosperous manna on October 27th, right here at the Unity Center of New York City at 11 a.m. I look forward to seeing you then.